Welcome back to MedMind.
Today's quiz topic is spinal cord. The primary cells in the anterior horn are it's B. Motor neurons. Anterior horn motor nuclei primarily controls correct answer is C. Skeletal musculature. The substantia gelatinosa is also known as it's D. Rolland substance. Intercalary neurons in the posterior horn are primarily it's C. Associative and commissural. The proper nucleus is found in it is found in the middle of the posterior horn. A reticular substance is composed of correct answer is B. Crossbars of gray matter. The two symmetrical gray columns of the spinal cord are connected by correct answer is B. Anterior gray commissure. The rubrospinal tract primarily influences it is C. Skeletal muscle tone and movement. The lateral cornu of the spinal cord contains centers for it's B. Sympathetic nervous system. Which segments contain a lateral column in the gray matter of the spinal cord? Correct answer is C. 8 cervical and sacral lumbar segments. The widest part of the gray matter horns in the spinal cord is it's C. Anterior horn. Which nuclei are well developed throughout the entire length of the spinal cord? Correct answer is C. Anteromedial and posteromedial nuclei. The posterior horn gray matter is characterized by its C. Heterogeneous structure. The marginal zone is found near it's C. The apex of the posterior horn. Which spinal cord region contains the intermediomedial nucleus? It's B. Thoracic. The neurons responsible for sending sensory information up the spinal cord are located in it's B. Posterior horn. The gray matter of the spinal cord is divided into zones called it is C. Horns. Associating cells have axons that C. Connect different levels within the spinal cord. Which nucleus is involved in the proprioceptive sensory conduction? Correct answer is C. Dorsal thoracic nucleus. The intermediomedial nucleus contributes to it is D. Spinocerebellar tract. The segmentary apparatus of the spinal medulla is responsible for It is B. Unconditioned reflexes. The anterior wide commissure connects. Correct answer is B. Left and right anterior funiculi. Fascicles of short associative fibers are found in. It is C. White matter. The anterior corticospinal tract mainly. C. Carries motor signals from the cortex. The reticulospinal tract conducts impulses to. It's B. Motor nuclei of the anterior cornu. The tectospinal tract supports. It's B. Reflexive movement in response to stimuli. The lateral corticospinal tract is primarily located. It's B. In the lateral funiculus. Axons of commissural neurons project to. B. The opposite side of the spinal medulla. The vestibulospinal tract originates from. It's B. Vestibular nuclei. The vestibulospinal tract is involved in. A. Balance and postural control. Gracile fasciculus carries signals from. Correct answer is B. Lower body and its extremities. The reticulospinal tract plays a role in. It's B. Motor control. Fasciculus cuneatus is responsible for proprioception from. It's B. Upper limbs. Spinotectal tracts function in. Correct answer is D. Reflexive response to stimuli. The final question. The anterior spinocerebellar tract transmits signals for. Please comment down your answer. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. So that's all for today. Please continue your learning with our next video.